Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video we had to cover as mainly top and text cards and map visuals, and we'll look into slicers like report slicers, so on. So first we had to look into the this top and text cards. So for this top and text cards, so already we have this table is there. So let's little bit align with this table. Okay. Now we had to add with the card for text cards. So I'll go with insert. So here I have the this card is available. So select the card. So once we have select this card, we'll place this one into the down, and we have to add with subcategory name. So once we had to add with the subcategory name, so by default it is taking as the first subcategory name. Okay. Now we'll move to this filters. So by default it is taking as the first subcategory name. Now I'll add with the subcategory name to the filter. Okay. So now I have to apply with the filter called as top n. So in this top n filter type, I will select as top one. So why I have to select as top one called as, so whatever the value we are checking, for example, we had to orders by category accessories. So accessories top one category, or else bikes, so we had to get this one. So top one filter type, and we had to drag this. So by value, we had to take as so total orders. So I'll add to by value total orders. Once I have add with total orders and apply with the filter. See here, the value is to be changing. Okay. So I think somewhere it is showing with the filter. Okay. Now, little bit down, and we had to format it to this one. So format. So format is, so I'll go with call out value, size and style. So first I'll give as background color. So background color I'll take as gray. Okay. And we'll take as call out value. So call out value will font we had to take the this one, and this will give as 14, and I think better we had to take bold. Okay. And color will take as 10FBFL. Okay. And color is done. Next we had to take as and categories. So category labels we had to switch off. This one is not required. So this is tires and tubes. Okay. The same thing we had to do copy and paste. Okay. Now same thing I'll do copy and paste it. Okay. Now for this, what we had to do for this one, we had to change this. Here we are applying with the filter value we had to remove, and for this filter value, this one filter I have taken as subcategory name. First category name, this one, and subcategory name. I'll remove this total orders for this data. I'll take as return rate. Return rate to by value, and apply the filter. See, this is the shorts. Now, so this is the tires and tubes, and this is the shorts. So we had to add some text. So what is this cards? So these cards are mainly most ordered product type one is, and other one is the most returned product type. So better I'll go with text box. So text box I will add as, where is text box? Okay, little bit expand. So here we had to add the text most ordered product type. Okay, and this one more to here. So this is the text box. So this text box, so we had to size and style. So background we had to off. This one fine, right? Just little bit down. Hmm. So this is most ordered uh, product type. So same thing, I'll copy and paste. Okay. Here we had to add the text is most returned product type. Most returned product type. Done. So this way we had to add with the top in text cards. So for this is the thing, and we'll have to add with one more row and little bit. We'll expand the table below. Okay, this is nice, and save it. Now we have to move to customer detail. So in customer detail, we have to add one more row card. So here we'll add insert. I'll go with the card. So this card I will place here around. Okay. So later I will format this clearly. First I will add with this card as full name. So once I have add with the full name, and in the data, I'll take as full name as filter also. Okay. So for this filter, I have to apply at with the top n and top one. And by value, we had to add with the total revenue. So revenue applying and apply the filter. So once we have applied this filter, we are getting this text. See here, I'll format this one. Just give me a minute and a little bit expand. Yeah, Mr. Maurice Sean. So this one we had to apply with the like we had to apply with the filters. So for this filter, I'll do one thing. In place of full name, I'll add with the customer key. See, I'm adding customer key for this top one, and by value I will add as so same thing. Total revenue I'll add. Apply the filter. Okay, same thing, right? So this way we have to do, and we have to apply with this format thing and go with format. So format I'll go with the size. First we'll check with the background color. Color as gray, and call out value. Font is big bold, and we'll give the font size 24, and color is we'll give white. Okay, and category label we had to off. Now it's looking good, right? And little bit move to up. Okay, done. So same thing, I'll copy and paste 2 times. So a little bit adjustment. And here, okay. And this one also, this one. And right. So for this one, I will add as data. I'll remove this full name, add to total revenue. Okay. So total revenue I'm getting. And for this one, I'll add as total orders. See, I'm getting this orders and revenue, right? Now I'll do little bit formatting. For this one, I'll go with format and call out value. I'll value decimals. I'll give as 1 point. So 1 decimal I'll take, and font color. So color I'll give as this one, and we'll add with the color here also same thing. We'll add color this one. Okay, and similarly we had add the text box. So similarly existing done. I'll go with text box here, this one. Okay. So here the text is, so I'll give as top customer by revenue. Okay. And this one done. This is top customer revenue, and we'll copy, paste it, paste it. We'll take another name. This one I'll call as orders, and this one resize. First I'll give as, so this one revenue. Okay. Done. So looks better, and little bit down. So now it's looking good. Orders and revenue. Okay. So up to this is called as, so we had to say as top encodes and text box. So these things we had done. Now we'll look into map visuals. So for map visuals, I'll go with map page. So in map page, I'll take as map. So go with insert. So this is the map. Okay. And we have another option called as visual the gallery. Here the maps. So maps are mainly map, field map, Azure map, uh, ArcGIS for Power BI, shape map. So these many maps are available. So right now we'll take as first basic map. I'll select as map. Okay. Now for this map, I'll resize this thing. So I'll do resize as, so first I'll add with this location and so on. So then I'll resize this one. So first I'll go with the location as country. So country territory lookup, I'll do this one country. So once I add with the country, I'll show here. Okay. So what is it showing? Map and field map visuals are disabled. To enable them, go to Files, Option Settings, Options, Global Security. We had to enable this one. So map and field map visuals are disabled. Okay. So we had to enable this one. Go to File, Options and Settings, Options. So Global and Security. Okay, so map and field map visuals, use map and field maps or GIS Power BI later will enable. And right now I'm enabling this one, use map field maps. Okay. Country added, but still it is not showing. Map and field map visuals are disabled. I enabled right this one. Options and settings, options. Global security, certificate revocation, native data extensions, custom visuals or GIS for Power BI. Enable this and use my default authentication browser. Okay. Approve ADF authentication service. You have not approved any authentication services on this computer. Okay. Something services is not enabled. Okay. So, okay, I'll look into this next video. Something error is showing. I'll do one thing. So I'll enable these options and to reset the entire thing. After then I'll do this video map visuals. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.